Hello, this is Sarah Meehan with Concentrus, bringing you a short and sweet tip for creating custom field help for standard fields. So this is common for organizations that have particular SOPs that they like to follow in entering information into standard fields. Sometimes it's a particular naming convention or a certain logic that you want your team to follow. And it can be really helpful if you actually build that into the field help, which has historically been challenging if you're not using a custom field. You're able to enter the field help in a custom field, but only recently have you started to have the ability to customize the standard field help that's available for native fields. So as an example, let's say my organization has an SOP for entering the accounts payable phone number on the customer record. So looking at the standard field help, it just says enter a phone number for your customer. I can hit this customize button, which is available when you're logged in as an administrator. And you'll see here it has an HTML field. I can adjust the text. I'm going to keep it really simple and just say accounts payable. And if you're dealing with multiple languages, you also have the ability to add custom field help for each different language that your instance supports. And if you have multiple forms that you use for a particular record type, by checking this box here, that will allow you to default the custom field help that you've just entered on the same field in all forms that have it exposed, of the same record type, that is. So then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And what you'll notice is when I come back here and hit the field help, let's try that again. Right now, it doesn't show the customization that I've made. That's because a lot of times when making this change, I find that I have to clear my cache. So I'm going to go ahead and come up here to settings, and I'll clear my browser cache. And then I'll go ahead and revisit that same page. So I will reload and I will have to log back in. And then once this loads, I will check that same field help phone number. And now I can see enter an accounts payable phone number for your customer. So my change is now exposed. And if I need to change it back for any reason, I can hit customize. And then down here, I can remove the customization to revert back to standard field help. So hopefully you found that tip helpful. I know it's awesome if you have a particular SOP that you want your team to follow. You can just build that right into the field help to take out the guesswork. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.